Hi mga guys, mga kaibigan. So ito po yung handa namin ngayong hapunan. Yan yung ano namin, buffet. Ayan, may salad kami, may radish, carrots, pepper bells mix, white cabbage, oloroso salad, cucumber, head salad. It's called a head salad. And that is our dressing. Guys. So, tapos yan yung sandwich namin. Yan yung kape namin ngayong gabi, guys. Ayan. So guys, I want to say good appetite. Salad buffet for tonight. Yan ang salad namin, guys. Saka yung mga ham namin atong gabi. Yan, I wanna say good appetite. Jaramels. Thank you for watching, and please hit the notification bells that you can always follow my videos from YouTube channel.